Alright, here we go. 6-man tag team match between Roman Reigns and the Usos, taking on King Corbin, Dolph Ziggler, and Robert Rhoode. King Corbin tried to go after Roman Reigns. Not a good idea there. But there's an added stipulation: the loser eats dog food. Oh man, when was the last time they had that? I don't think they ever had that before. Can't wait for next week on SmackDown. Not only we have a Firefly Funhouse next week, the Dirt Sheet returns. Oh my gosh, the Dirt Sheet. How long has that been? Since what, 2008 or 9, I think? Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Cannot wait till next week. Ooh, what a spine buster on that mat. I see Robert Roode's now wearing tights. He usually, well, he's wearing the lawn tights. The pants. The lawn pant tights. He usually just wore the underwear, but now he's wearing the pant tights. That's new. It's Robert Roode and one of the Usos taking it on here. I don't know which one that is. Unprecedented moment on Friday Night SmackDown. Who will it be? Find out here tonight as Usos are battling back in this 6-man tag team matchup. Hey, Robert Roode actually looks kind of weird in the long tights. What's going through the minds of these competitors? Not only do you lose in the main event on Fox on the eve of the big game, of course, on Sunday, but ooh, nice and Ziggler. I guarantee you, if you have to eat this dog food, you're going to be spending Sunday in the bathroom with your head to the tag. Can he get there? Does. Here's Ziggler. Now the legal man. Ziggler, nobody holds. Ziggler trying to... Ziggler hung up in the ropes momentarily. Is a big opportunity. Jey Uso. Ziggler was trying to clothesline Jey Uso, but missed entirely. And now he's got to go for a tag. Come on, Jay. Get the big dog. Get the big dog. Get the big dog. Oh, King Corbin knocks down Roman Reigns. And now it's King versus Jay. And oh man, just ram Jay in the turnbuckle. Go for a little possum pin. Roll-up pin, I should say. Kicked out. Finish him. Finish him. Finish him. Come on, Jay. Corbin's face. Reigns is back on the apron. Big moment in our main event. Here we go. Here comes the big dog. I hurt my throat. Roman Reigns, he is on fire. Roman Reigns is King Corbin. Clothesline, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, here's some clotheslines. Incredible this past Sunday. Balls count anywhere at Minute Maid Park. These two men battle all over that field. In the outfield, the warning track, even in the dugouts. And Roman Reigns nearly speared Corbin in half on top. What a big boot by Roman Reigns. And I'm getting so anxious. I'm getting so excited because the King may be eating dog food in a matter of moments. Calm down there, Michael Cole. I say the word and I'm so upset. Besmirch the good name of King Corbin. Uh-oh, he's setting it up. He's loading it up. Here we go. Oh, Dolph Ziggler trying to interrupt. Here comes King Corbin. Slides under the ring. Back in the ring. Misses the clothesline. So, oh, choke slam the hell by King Corbin. That's just a normal choke slam. Kick out. Hey, King Corbin just laughing at the dog food here. Just looking and laughing, knowing that he's going to win. Uppercut by Roman Reigns. Boom, another one. Uh-oh. Ooh, an eye rake by the King. Super kick by Dolph Ziggler. Oh, here we go. 6. Deep 6. No, he's not. Whoa, that was close. Jimmy diving. Whoa! Robert Roode going over the announce table. Superman punch by Roman Reigns. Oh, Dolph with the save. Is this Jey Uso? Super kick by Jey Uso? I'm sorry, I don't know. Yeah, Jey Uso diving. And there goes Dolph. He's over the announce table now. And Roman feeling it. Ooh! Oh! Intercepted. Roll up. The King's gotta eat the dog food. King Corbin's gotta eat the dog food. Oh! That's right. You better catch him. No, I don't think so. The Usos are now going to have her. Oh, they're going to chain up the King here. They got handcuffs. They're going to handcuff the King here. It looked like King Corbin was biting their arms. Nope. We got him. Don't worry, we got him. No! Freaking King Corbin! Oh man. Spear by Reigns! King is out. The King is out. Oh, and a hug to a kid here. That's nice. Where's your lackeys, Corbin? That was a nice spear. Oh, here we go. Payback. Freaking payback. Where's his lackeys? The Usos are packing up the dog food. They got the big pail. Oh, they're out. His cronies are out. Oh, yeah. Hey. Kick it. Actually, don't, because you're going to have to eat it on the floor. Oh, boy. Oh, open up. Here comes the train. That's not eating. That's just flinging it at him. Dumping. Dump the pail on him. Dump the pail. Dump! That's actually not eating dog food. That's just pouring it on him. Put it in his mouth. Oh, the King. The King has been embarrassed. How about another one? Oh.
God, it smells like a kettle out here.
Oh my God. Oh. Say cheese. I bet it will. That was so good. Oh man. Oh, those. Oh my God. Well, that's gonna end it. Sweet revenge for Roman Reigns. Oh.